Everyone, hola, ¿cómo estás? It's me, Travion. I am back with another video, and today we are finishing the Piranha Plant Lego set for Super Mario Bros. Lego set. I am so happy to finally finish this off. We are almost close, you guys. Okay. Last time we left off, we were finishing this. Now, so let's continue reading the instructions and see what they say. So we can finish it off here. Okay, now we got that out of the way. Let's go ahead and finish this. So, what we need is this piece right here. Then we are going to find the other piece we need. Right here. And we'll go here. Ta-da! We have this one right here. Then we have this one. We'll just take this and put it right here. Perfect. And we are supposed to put this right hold up. Yo, hold up. 1 minute, please. Perfect. Now we can continue. Get the other piece. Then we have the other one. Let's see, we got. Oh, found another one. Here you go, right here. Then we'll put this right here. Boom. Then we'll just put this right here. We'll put this right here. Oh wait, no. Wrong way. This way. Ta-da! Okay. Let's go ahead and read the instructions. Okay, we got this right here. For those. 2 of these. Oh, that's the tongue? Oh, this is the mouth. Awesome! Okay, we could do that. We could do that. Perfect. Okay, so take this. We find 4 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we'll just put this right here. We'll put the other one right here. We'll put the other one right here. We'll put the other one right here. Awesome. Put this one right here. Boom. We'll get this piece and then put this piece right here. Are these like the whips? Yeah, this is the whips. Put the other one right here. Then we'll put this one right here. And we'll put this one right here. We'll put this one right about here and awesome pause. It was check the instructions and then Other one. So it's telling us put this thing. So what the instruction is telling me to put this right here. Oh, shit. Awesome. I love Legos. Okay, so... Oh, easy peasy. Let's go. Way ahead. Awesome. Okay, let's see. Put this right here. Okay, got it. Got this right here. Right here. Okay, two of these. Then we'll go do that for 4 of these. Then we need to find the other 2. Oh wait, I think I fucked up. Okay, perfect. Let's put this here. We'll put this right here. Okay. Oh, boop, shoot, knock the thing iPod. Okay. Awesome. Easy peasy. Let's go. Don't mind the sound in the other room. It's just a person watching TV. Okay. What's the other one? I found it. For the other one. Wait a minute, I think I got the wrong 2. Wait, no, these are the right ones. Okay, so I'm kind of honestly happy that this is going to be, we're reaching the final step of filming this Waco set. Sorry I've been slacking all of my videos. Right here. Then we will put this here. Okay, we'll put this right here. We'll put this right here. Then we'll put this right here. And then we'll put this right here. Then we'll go to the next page. What? And we'll have this one right here. Got it. There we go. There's one right here. Come on, right here. And then we have this one right here. And then we have to have the next one. And then we just need to find the other 4 that we need. This one. Got it. And we'll put this one right here. And we'll put this right here. Awesome. Cool. Now we got this page done. Let's go to the next page. We're on page 70. No, 170. Cool. Okay. Okay, let's do this. Boom! Oh my god, we're almost done. Okay, so let's see what's next. What else do the instructions say? Oh, so that's what we're supposed to do? Okay, we just need this one and this one. Okay, we'll put this right here. Awesome. Awesome. Okay. Okay, and then we have we'll just put this one right here. Okay, we have this. Oh, open the next bag. Okay, let's get rid of all of this first. Okay. Okay, we have this. Okay, now let's go ahead and go to the next one. Oh my god, we're building the head. Awesome. I'm so excited to finally see how this goes. Awesome. Cool. Whoa. Can't forget this. Oh, but we can't forget. Then we have to do this. Then we'll have this. Do this. Okay, we'll put this right here. And we have this. Awesome! Thank you, God. Okay. So let's see. Got it. Did it. Whoa! Look! This is so cool! I can't believe it took me this long to make this. Awesome! Okay, what's next? Oh my god, this is the good part. Shit. What's it? My life. Okay, be right there. I'm almost there. Just let me. Oh yeah, so excited. Yes! Woo! Awesome! Alright, let's go. Oh, we're not done yet? Yes, yes, yes. Yes! Oh, shit. Woo! Look at this bad boy! Look at this bad boy! Awesome! Whoa, he looks so cool! Oh, why you keep falling off? Like at the wrong game. Okay, we'll just put one in there along with the other. Whoa, this is so nice. I love it. Oh shit. Oh my god. He's shitting out fucking. The other one just fell. Hello. Bro, I'm so happy. This is so awesome. And yes! We did it! These are all the pieces included. That is awesome. Bro, this is it. This is the shit right here. I absolutely glad I got this Lego set. Anyway, you guys, thank you so much for stopping by and having this moment with me. My community out there I made to help people in hard times come together, bring some good time, smile on your face, and help you stop being depressed, and just make this like this is awesome. I love Mario since I was a kid. I know everybody else does. This is so cool. Oh motherfucker! Fuck you, shit. My Lego figure. Okay. Now, what you guys think about it? The question for this video is, which Super Mario Bros. Lego set is your favorite and why? With the question of the video, if you ask, please subscribe to my channel. That would make my day. Smash that like button. Hit that notification so you won't miss out on any video I post every day, week, month, and year. And subscribe to my channel. That will make my day. Adios, amigos. Take care.